In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use a Google Tasks calendar productivity system. Open Google Calendar in your browser. On the left side, look for other calendars and click the plus sign next to it. Then choose Create New Calendar. Make a few calendars to separate your life into clear categories. Think work, content creation, clients, personal growth, personal, and health. Give each calendar its own color so your week is instantly scannable. A vivid, distinct color palette helps you recognize what's coming up at a glance and reduces decision fatigue when planning. Next, click the gear icon and go to Settings, then Event Settings. Set a default event duration that matches your typical work rhythm, like 30 or 60 minutes. Add default reminders so you never miss something important. One 10 minutes before and another an hour before works well. Choose whether you want email alerts or device notifications depending on how you prefer to be nudged. Getting these defaults right saves you countless clicks later. Now time block your day instead of living from a massive to-do list. Drop dedicated blocks on your calendar for the major themes of your work. For example, 8 to 9 a.m. for admin tasks, 9 to 11 a.m. for deep work, 1 to 2 p.m. for client calls, and 4 to 5 p.m. for content creation. Treat these blocks like real appointments. If something takes longer, drag to extend. If it moves, drag it elsewhere. The key is protecting focus and giving each task a home on your calendar. For anything that repeats, open the event and set it to repeat. Schedule weekly planning on Sunday evening, a monthly budget review, recurring client check-ins, and your gym routine. Recurring events automate your habits so you don't have to rebuild your week from scratch. Use productivity features to defend your time. Add focus time to automatically block meetings during deep work. Mark out of office to decline invites when you're unavailable. And turn on tasks integration so your Google Tasks appear right on the calendar. Drag them to a time slot to ensure they actually get done. Make sure everything syncs. Install the Google Calendar app on your phone, enable notifications, and sign in with the same account so changes reflect everywhere. Connect your calendar to Gmail and your video platforms like Zoom or Meet so invites and links appear automatically. Finally, use the event description field wisely. Add the meeting agenda, notes, document links, video links, and a quick checklist. Keeping context inside the event prevents scrambling right before a call and makes handoffs easier. That's your streamlined Google Tasks calendar system. Simple, visual, and built to keep you on track.